The SlimKool series indoor-outdoor air conditioners were designed to fit 12-inch wide enclosures, providing more flexibility for the increasingly narrow electrical enclosures common in industry today. Consisting of 4 air conditioners from 28 to 43 inches high, the SlimKool series offers a cooling range from 4,000 to 11,000 BTUs per hour. With a growing demand for enclosure cooling in smaller cabinets, these narrow units offer great cooling capacities in small packages. All units in this series feature a built-in condensate evaporator, internal corrosion protection, as well as a programmable temperature alarm and thermostat. To satisfy your requirements, available accessories include an enclosure heater, lead lag controller, and remote monitoring capability. With all models UL or CUL listed, these units are available in 115, 230, and 480 volts, and have NEMA ratings of 12, 3R, 4, and a 4X version offered with a stainless steel shell. This versatility makes the SlimKool series a perfect choice for virtually every application.